Have you ever dreamed of turning a hobby into a thriving business? Many successful entrepreneurs start small, experimenting in their garages. With the right tools, like Boss laser machines, passion can transform into profit. Boss laser machines offer unmatched precision, letting you craft professional quality items from wood, acrylic, metal, and more. Imagine bringing your unique designs to life without outsourcing or compromising quality. Scaling production is often a challenge for new businesses. Boss laser machines make it simple to fulfill large orders while maintaining exceptional craftsmanship. One machine can elevate your output from a few items to hundreds with ease. Affordability matters for aspiring entrepreneurs. Boss laser machines combine power with reasonable pricing, giving you access to professional tools without breaking the bank. Investing in one can fast-track your business growth. Countless success stories prove the power of laser technology. From teachers to retirees, people have redefined their careers by embracing their passions. These machines provide confidence and credibility, helping entrepreneurs reach new markets. Support is key. Boss Laser offers training and resources to ensure you maximize your investment. This partnership empowers you to thrive as a business owner. As a maker, you'll also join a vibrant community of creators. Networking through events and online groups sparks collaboration and inspiration, fueling your creativity even more. Looking ahead, technology keeps opening new opportunities. Boss laser machines bridge the gap between passion and success, helping you achieve your dreams right from your workshop. If you're ready to turn your hobby into a business, Boss laser machines could be your key. Discover the power of precision, support, and community, and take that leap to make your passion a reality.